Hello and warm welcome to all taps of the global world. I am Atif Salim Bhatt. I want to conduct your Oxford test. I am talking to Mr. Hasnan Ahmed.
Yes.
Your test center number is A2320. Your center name is Royal Palace Hotel Lahore. I am talking to Mr. Hasnan Ahmed. Are you ready for this?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. What can I say to you?
You can say to me Hasnan Ahmed.
Where are you living?
I am living in Faisalabad, Punjab, Pakistan. Faisalabad is a great hub of industrial sector. Faisalabad is the third largest city of Pakistan. It is called Manchester of Pakistan.
Okay. What are you doing nowadays?
I am doing internship in NLC company as civil engineer from several months with recognition of excellence.
Okay. Can you tell me about your last degree status?
I had obtained my graduation in BTech Civil Engineering and Technology from Government College University Faisalabad in 2020.
Okay. Why are you going to work abroad?
I want to obtain my master degree, so that's why I am going to abroad in a hale and hearty manner.
Okay. Why are you choosing United Kingdom instead of other countries of the global world such as Australia, Canada, United States of America and European Union countries?
United Kingdom is considered as one of the finest and greatest region of the world in significant and magnificent manner with massive cognition of excellence. United Kingdom is maintaining ancient level of study which is not possible in any other country of the world, so I am preferring United Kingdom in a hale and hearty manner.
Okay. Why are you choosing civil engineering for profession?
This is a part. This academic situation is my passion, so that's why I am choosing this qualification.
Okay. Can I see your passport or CNIC?
Yes.
First, I will see your passport, then CNIC. Okay. Okay. Please take it.
Thank you.
Can I view your room?
Yes.
Okay. I am moving towards part 2. Are you ready for this?
Yes, I am ready.
Your part 2 topic is presentation. Your time is 3 to 5 minutes. Your presentation topic is some parents pressure their children to certain extracurricular activities or follow a particular academic path. Some parents believe children should follow their own ambition and dreams. To what extent do you agree with this statement?
According to my opinion, the parents are playing key role in development and growth of children through astonishing and marvelous manner with massive cognition of excellence. But it is my unfortunate duty to inform all of you that some parents are pressurizing their children to participate in extra curriculum activities. So the children are heaps of ambiguities and hindrances. It is considered as massive X and painful below, especially for young stakeholders. Therefore, the parents are forcing their children to join a academic profession of doctorate, engineering, pilots, and so on instead of your dream profession. It is considered a monopoly approach in our society. In addition, the modern parents are going along nicely in significant and magnificent manner because they are working for children, brainstorming. So that's why children are ambitious to achieve own goals of life with brilliance of greatness. These guys are striving hard to achieve children hale and hearty objectives in terrific and tremendous direction with dignity of purity. The children want to choose their academic profession as well as career pathways of life. These mates pursuing thick and thin approach in their life to attain desired result of dream activities. They are working with free minds. Furthermore, I am following ambitious and trustworthy relationship between parents and children because these things are creating innovation in the mind of children. So these peaks are playing essential role stabilization of the country. They are considered as real gems of the nation. Actually, children are considered as uh, mm, narrow-minded in the international world. So the parents are creating flagship qualities in the mind of children. So children are so children are feeling cool and humble.
Okay. I am moving towards part 3. Are you ready for this?
Yes, I am ready.
Your part 3 tenor is 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
I will ask you step by step questionnaire. Your question starts now. Clarification of facts and opinion presented in this essay.
This essay is elaborating real values of iconic stardom celebrities because they had strived hard to achieve accomplished goals of life.
Okay. Reflection on the writing process.
The writing process is pursuing a strong quality of views with brilliance of greatness. This process is giving me a real gesture of exposure.
Okay. Can you share me about personal experience of this essay?
As far as my concerned, I am going with past megastars because they all were considered as legendary stakeholders of the global world.
Okay. Can you tell me a bit more about the sources you have used in this essay?
I have used my personal research in this essay writing because I am a versatile person and I am going with my opinion.
Okay. Can you tell me about the aspect you were mostly impressed by?
I am warm heartedly impressed with past views about superstar of the global world.
Okay. The word count for the essay is limited. Is there anything else you would have to like include in your essay but had to leave it?
The international society is going on concept of love, affection and care.
Okay. What were some of the most surprising facts you have encountered while planning the essay?
The most surprising fact is that every person can be a superstar in presence of all social media channels such as YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat, Snap Video, Emo, Vimo, Facebook, and so on without any skills and talent.
Okay. Mr. Hasnain Ahmed, thank you very much.
Okay, sure.